Hi. Now we're going to do some dictation. Okay? Some dictation from your blends practice. Right? Remember this page? Blends. And the back of your packet, you have a dictation page. Okay? These are the words with 4 sounds. If you want, you can go back to the video, words with 4 sounds from last week. Watch the video again. Also, if you want to study the words first, you can go to your ABC English Picture Dictionary and turn to page 13. Let's see, page 13, okay, at the top, and study the words. Right? Then, when you are finished, come back here for the dictation. Okay? So, if you're ready, we can begin. Number 1, clap. Repeat. Clap. Now write. Clap. Okay. Number 2, flag. Repeat. Flag. Number 3, plug. Repeat. Plug. Okay. Number 4, slip. Repeat. Slip. Okay. When you are finished with your camera on your WhatsApp, take a picture and text it to me. Okay? Bye.